So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And now once you're on this, under user configuration, you want to expand administrative templates. And now you want to select start menu and taskbar. Click on this folder. And now this will appear on the right side. And now once we're here, you want to look for show run as different user command on start. So I'm just going to scroll down till I find show run as different user command on start. Double click on this. And now once you're on this, you want to set this to enabled and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer. Keep on watching the video. Restart your computer. And now once you're back in Windows, if I just head over to search and just type in any program like Google Chrome, there's now going to be another option called run as different user. You can now click on it. And now once we're here, you want to type in the username and the password of the account that you want to run the application as, and then click on OK, and then you should be good to go.